welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be opening my fidgets from Christmas. I had to wait for this one because they're still wrapped. These are fidgets, and this is what I had to do when all my stuff. So let's just get straight into this. I'm so excited. I'm literally rushing. So here is the thing. Let me just lower you guys down so you can see what I am doing. Okay. There we go. Tuck myself in. So this is my first one. How do you open this? They've wrapped it too tight. Yeah, I can't get into it. I'll have to use my rubbish scissors. Shoot, yeah. So another layer. Oh no. Oh, it's another thingy. Instead, this one's a smiley face. Smiley face goes apart. Oh god. Oh, I keep on dropping it. My face goes apart. Goes, oh god. Goes a bit more together. 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 And then you get a cute little smiley. So that's really cool. Great job. So now I've got two sleeves. Let's see. Another Lucky Track fidget spinner. This is amazing. But you can also put it in a different order. Can't be the washer when I can. They don't do what my one did. So that one was crooked. Yeah. I did something else in here, I'm not sure what. Okay, so we've got a bigger one here. Let's see, what's this one? Yeah, she replaced my other broken one. Oh, I got two of the same. Oh, I thought it was pink. It must be gonna be colorblind. Yeah. I've actually got this fidget in my box. Fidgets. Got three. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. This is the one that's coming apart. Yeah, there's these puzzle balls that I like. There's these puzzle balls. Which one do you push? Push the yellow one. Yep, the yellow one comes out on this one. And you got three of them. Let's see which one you push here. Yeah, yellow one again. It's really cool, that. I love that. This is a green dinosaur pea pod. See? Oh, I got a green one of these. This was made in China. And I've got a purple one of these. Looks like little, those little things that pop out, not pea pods. They're like those real foods that pop out. It's like that. Maybe pea pods. I don't know. This one might be more sticky since I've just got this one because my green one that I've got is running out of its stick. It's staying in my hands a bit. It's not really, it just feels like it's going to stay in your hands because it's really gooey and sticky. This is really cool, look at it. This is the blue thing. Got another one of the green things in my box of fidgets. Really stretching, it's really squishy, I love that one. Ouch. Oh yeah, and the green pea pod. I love that. Trying to open the tape. Ah, here we go, come on. Oh, we got more fidget rings, yay! I love fidget rings. Love fidget rings. Yay, I got my fidget ring. Yay! I got my fidget ring. Got my fidget ring. Got my fidget ring. So happy about that. I literally am. Got my fidget ring. Got my fidget ring. Got my fidget ring. I got fidget ring fingers. I got 3 gold ones, 2 silver. Is there anything else in there? Don't look like it. Ooh, this one's a biggie. Whoa! What is that little mini fidget? But they're like, I don't know what shape they are. They're like these little shapes. Let me show you. Look at these. Oh! Oh, that's just a little charm thing. That's cool. Look at these. Oh, put those in the fidgets. Oh, these are the little spiky balls. Come on, come on. There you go. Push. Yep, so I'll put these with my other fidgets, like these squishy balls. Oh, my head cut off. That's not very good. little Reese's Pieces. Well, at least it's yummy. Who doesn't like apple juice? Not me. I love apple juice. Simple dimple. Simple dimple. Pop it, squeeze. Pop it, squeeze. Pop it, squeeze. Yep. Or is this just a dimple? I've got these rocket ones, but this is pink, this is yellow, this is probably green, or yellow and green, and these bits here that are coloured in red are pink. It's really cool, that. We got a big one. Oh, what's this? Wait, I think, yeah, it's a poppet bracelet. It's a poppet watch. Mum, I love you. Mummy and Daddy. Oh, my dog's here. My baby boy, but I can't let him in because of the chew all this stuff. I don't think it pops when it's on your wrist. I'm actually going to put this on. Does this actually pop when it's on your bracelet? If it does, that's going to shock me. Ding dong ditch. I'm just trying to get this watch on. 1 sec. There we go. Come on. Let's try and get it on without wearing it. Squeeze. There we go. Okay, got my watch. It's way too big. This is too big for me. I'm sure I'll go into it eventually. Love this wrapping paper, by the way. Parents. These are thinner and tiny monkey doodles. Look at these. They might look big, but they're tiny ones. That's so cute. And we've got loads of them. Oh, this is a dimple as well. This is another dimple. Let's sing the song. Simple dimple, pop it, squeeze, pop it, squeeze, pop it, squeeze. Simple dimple, pop it, squeeze, pop it, squeeze, pop it, squeeze. Simple dimple, pop it, squeeze, pop it, squeeze, pop it, squeeze. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's take this out. Oh, what's this? Whoa! Look at that! So cool. Simple dimple, pop it, squeeze, squeeze, pop it, squeeze, pop it, squeeze. Oh God. Did it? That was a good shot, hopefully. I've got the same one as Nevaeh now, because we got her that for Christmas. Been opened like, but okay. Simple dimple, pop it, screech, pop it, screech, pop it, screech. Might be a bit big for my ends yet. Tried it on the nose. It's too big. Can't. We've got. She's done it again. Now, 1, 2, 3 left. My desk is right there. This could go with my fries and chicken nugget sketchbook. Oh, and if you look closely again, there's hamburgers on them. I'm going to take it out of the packet so you can see a bit better. Yeah. You can see there's all like the different things on. Let's test it out really quick. So this is definitely the bad side. Not the best puppet in the world, but it's decent. Pretty good actually. Last one. Ooh, begging you, put your loving hand out, darling. Begging you. What's this? I can't tell. Begging you, put your loving hand. Oh, what do you do with this? I'm not sure. But that's all for this video. If you liked it, smash, comment down in below which one was your favourite fidget or what's your favourite fidget out of all of them. Not mine, out of all of them in the world. And your favourite candy. And what was your favourite Christmas present this year? Or whatever Christmas present you got. Now, smash that like button and woo. Oh, and write it down in the comments below. Smash that like button and woo. See you all next time. Goodbye. Oh, smash that like button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification. Smash that like button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Peace.